President Uhuru MUIGAI wa KENYATTA ni atabarire ihenya rĩa mbere rĩa Nairobi City Marathon kuria namba ĩmwe atugirwo na kimanjika gĩa ciringi milioni 6. Uhuru akiuga rĩrĩ nĩ ikinya rĩa kuonania bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ wĩharĩirie gũtabania hĩtahĩtano cia kĩmabũrũri na ndũmĩrĩri ĩkindĩrirwo nĩ Minister wa mathako Amina Mohamed akiuga wĩyandĩkithia wa mbĩtĩka ta ĩno ya mwaka ũkĩte wa 2023 nĩ ũkwambĩrĩria ihinda-inĩ rĩa mweri ũmwe ũkĩte.
So today is not a day of speeches. It's to congratulate the first winners of this inaugural marathon, but also to congratulate each and every one of you, from the very old to the very young, who have come out in your thousands to participate in this event and to take pride in what your country has been able to achieve. Hongera kwenu nyinyi nyote, pongezi. This is the beginning of putting Kenya and our great city of Nairobi on the international map as a destination for one of the greatest marathons globally. This is on the back of the infrastructure that we have put together. Kenya, as you all know, has always been known as the home of champions. But today, we are not just the home of champions. We are also attracting champions from across the globe to come and run and participate with us in various sporting events. Yesterday, we were in Kasarani Stadium at the Kipchoge Keino Classic, the Continental Championship, where we had international championships from athletics to field events, attracting world and Olympic champions. And again, because of the infrastructure that we have developed, we are very hopeful that we are indeed well prepared, that in 2025, our country will have the pride and pleasure of hosting the first World Athletic Championships to be held on the African continent. And it's not just in athletics, where we have now slowly begun to attract international attention. In a few weeks' time, we will be doing the second edition of the East African Safari Rally. Kenya is now on the map as also being part of the European tour. In the golf market, our rugby players are making us proud, both men and women. Hii ndio barabara sisi tunataka kutembea. Where we are proud of who we are, we showcase what we have, and we appeal to the world to come, join and participate with us.
Kenya has for decades been known as the home of long-distance champions. And with the successful hosting of this marathon, we have now entered the league of cities like New York, like Tokyo, like Chicago, like Berlin, and others as an ideal destination for city marathons. The Uhuru Classic, Your Excellency, has been held in adherence with World Athletics and the Association of International Marathons aims, regulations. It was certified by the Association of Road Runners, which is part of the World Athletics, as part of the World Athletics event.